Are German Shepherds prone to sensitive stomachs? German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are often chosen as working dogs due to their ability to excel in various roles. However, like any other breed, they too may have certain health issues. One such problem that German Shepherds are often prone to is a sensitive stomach. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind this sensitivity and discuss how to manage it. Firstly, it's important to understand that not all German Shepherds will have sensitive stomachs. However, it is a widely recognized issue within the breed. The sensitive stomach problem can manifest in various ways, such as digestive upset, vomiting, diarrhea, or excessive gas. While it can be alarming for the dog owners, it's crucial to identify the underlying causes and take appropriate measures to alleviate the discomfort faced by the dogs. There are several factors that contribute to a German Shepherd having a sensitive stomach. One such factor is their genetic predisposition. German Shepherds may inherit certain genes that make them more prone to food allergies or intolerances. It's important to note that these sensitivities can develop at any point in a dog's life, even if they have been eating the same diet for years. Another important factor to consider is the type of diet a German Shepherd is being fed. A sudden change in the diet or a poor quality diet can lead to digestive problems. It is crucial to choose a high-quality, balanced diet that suits the specific needs of the German Shepherd breed. Consultation with a veterinarian is recommended to find the most suitable diet for your dog. Next, stress and anxiety can also contribute to a sensitive stomach in German Shepherds. It's a well-known fact that stress can have a direct impact on a dog's digestive system. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and sensitive dogs, and they can easily become anxious or stressed in certain situations. These situations can range from changes in their environment, such as moving to a new home, to loud noises or separation anxiety. Managing the stress levels of your German Shepherd can help alleviate their sensitive stomach symptoms. So how can you manage a German Shepherd with a sensitive stomach? Firstly, it is important to establish a routine feeding schedule. Feeding your dog at regular intervals can help regulate their digestive system. Additionally, portion control is essential to avoid overeating, which can lead to digestive upset. It's advisable to divide their daily food allowance into smaller meals throughout the day. Choosing the right type of food is also crucial. Opt for a high-quality, easily digestible, and limited ingredient diet. Avoid foods with common allergens such as grains, corn, soy, and artificial additives. Slowly transitioning to a new diet is recommended to minimize digestive disruptions. If your German Shepherd has a sensitive stomach, it is advised to keep a food diary. This way, you can track any potential food allergies or intolerances. Note down the ingredients in the food your dog is being fed and monitor their reactions to each ingredient. Elimination diets can also be helpful in identifying specific triggers that may be causing the digestive upset. Finally, consulting with a veterinarian is crucial. They can provide a thorough examination of your German Shepherd and recommend appropriate diagnostic tests if necessary. They may also prescribe medications or supplements to help manage the symptoms. In conclusion, German Shepherds can indeed be prone to sensitive stomachs. However, with proper care, attention, and nutrition, this issue can be managed effectively. Understanding the underlying causes, choosing the right diet, and managing stress levels can significantly improve the digestive health of your German Shepherd. Remember to consult with a veterinarian for personalized advice tailored to your dog's specific needs.